First and foremost, we're a bridge fabricator. I ensure that the production is getting met and that we're adhering to the quality standards that we need to meet, as well as the development of the employees. We fabricate bridges for various states so they can build bridges across highways, rivers, lakes. We are set up to be the most efficient bridge fabricator in the country. We specialize in doing one thing, we do it very well.
My name is Slate Dalton, and I classified as a welder here at Stupp Bridge. And what I do with my job, I run a machine called the Ogden. The maximum I can run that machine in a weld is 300 foot. That's end to end. Opportunities you can get experience. I mean, we have people here that come here and work here as a welder and eventually take their CWI test and become certified weld inspectors.
As a fitter, my job is to read blueprints and mill and lay out the girders and fit and tack all the stiffeners in place and get everything ready to be welded. Usually something different every day. All the blueprints are different, and I love welding and anything to do with metalworking. When you drive down the road and you just look at all the welds and try to look at all the braces and you think, you know, did I work on that? Did I build this one? You wonder and you look and see where everything goes to different states, and it's kind of neat.
Everything we do is completely custom to our drawings from one piece to the next. They're all unique in some facet, so it requires a good bit of technical skills, as well as it's more of an art than a science. You know, it requires a high level of skill.
One of the bigger projects that I was involved with was redoing the Land Between the Lakes bridges at 6880 out between Kentucky Lake and Lake Barkley. Here at Stupp, we have the availability to get our welders trained on site and give them on-the-job experience in order to help them further their education and their experience. Running second shift, I get a good opportunity to get some younger guys under me and kind of get them the experience they need to be able to move on and further their careers in fabrication. What's unique about working at Stupp, I think, is just what we do.
People who work here are willing to jump on whatever task is asked of them, and they do it with a great amount of skill.
You know, most companies have 600-700 people on maybe a shift if you're a real big company. We have around 105 employees total on all 3 shifts, including the office. And when the president and the vice president of the company come out on the floor and shake your hand and call you by name and ask how you're doing and what can we change about the company, that means a lot to some people.
It's family owned. The owners take care of the employees. When you come in, everyone knows each other. They know their first names. Teamwork and the culture that's set, that people are very flexible in what they do. Some areas are very labor intensive in some aspects, and other days it's in entirely different areas.
Helping build America's infrastructure, one bridge at a time, and not many people get the opportunity to say that they can do that.